Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have ZTE Blade A75 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connected with internet but you can't download anything from Google Play Store because your game or application are not visible on it. To fix it, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your phone on the right corner. In it, choose Settings, Family and their parental controls. As you can see now, we have page 3. Two visible gamer applications, Mobile Legends game. We need more than page 3 to change it. Tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental controls, and we can easily change it from page 3 to maybe page 16, configure other stored and save. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.